So you want to remove the cap. You want to make sure your engine is cooled down, not hot. Remove the cap. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Do It Yourself. I have a 2021 Ram 5500 Cummins engine 6.7. I'm going to be doing oil change for less than $100. Let's get to that. All right, so for the oil change, I got the oil, the Shell Rotella T6 5W40. This is 1 gallon. You will need 3 gallons. That is 12 quarts. You will need 3 gallons of that. You need the oil filter. So the oil filter pop number is MO285. That's what you need. This oil filter came from on Amazon. I bought it on Amazon, at Walmart as well. The oil, you can get it from Walmart for $23 and change. I'm gonna put all the link in the description below to all these parts that I purchased for that. The oil filter, the oil, you can get it from Walmart. You also need funnel, drain pan. I got this from Walmart as well for $12. So you need that as well. You can get any other drain pan, but I got this from Walmart. So this is 3/8 chest piece. You're gonna need, there will be no socket, nothing. Just this part right here. Gonna just go on there and you can just get it loose. That's all you're gonna need to remove the drain plug on the oil pan. So you wanna remove the cap. You wanna make sure your engine is cooled down, not hot. Remove the cap. So remove the oil cap. And then we're gonna go on the bottom to drain the oil. Oil that we underneath the truck. This is the oil pan. So all you need is this 3/8 that goes right there. And you just get it loose. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, but let me show you the oil filter. It's right there. That's the oil filter over there. Okay. Okay, I think I got it. Here we go. Well, it's training real fast. Let it come out. Yeah, so I'm going. So if you can see it, that's the drain plug right there. All right, now I think it's done draining. That should be enough. We're gonna go ahead and put back the drain plugs. And then we get to the oil filter. So next we're gonna replace the oil filter right there. You see that white stuff right there, that's the oil filter. And I'm gonna open there and just let it drain in this drain pan as well. This is the oil filter. This is the oil filter. The last service I did was at the Valvoline oil service. So this is the oil filter. I just removed it, but nothing that much oil in it. Okay. So it came from right there. I don't know if you can see. It's right there. All right, guys, so I removed the filter. This is the oil filter. I drain the oil. This is from Valvoline. When I did the oil change at Valvoline. 190 plus stars. Anyway, that's the old one. This is the new one that's gonna go there. Same tank. Valvoline filter, if you're gonna use Valvoline, VO64. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put some oil in there, like maybe half of those, and then just put some oil around the gasket or whatever you call it. So like I said, you're using 3 of this, 1 gallon, which is 12 quarts. And this should be enough. I'm gonna go put back the filter, then I'm gonna put the oil in the engine. Okay, now I got a new filter in there. All I'm gonna do now, just gonna hand tighten. You don't wanna use any tools or anything like that to tighten it. Hand tighten should be enough. You want to take off the gloves. Okay, now I'm gonna get a feel of the filter and just hand tight. Okay, that should be tight enough. Okay, next we're gonna do the oil, put the oil in the engine. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do the oil. Like I said, we're gonna do all 3, 12 quarts. I'd already poured some in the filter, so but I'm gonna pour like 2.5, and then I'm gonna check it. Can start the engine, check the oil, check leaks and all that. Now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna check for leaks for the oil. We want to make sure we don't get any leak from the oil. Okay guys, so we started the engine. We checked for leaks. There was no leaks. My phone went there when we were checking for leak. So I'm gonna restart the engine for the second time. Our oil life is 15%. We have to reset that as well. So we're gonna reset all of this light. I did check for leaks. Everything is fine. Everything is good. I checked the oil level. Everything is fine. I top it off a little bit more oil because I didn't just buy 3 boxes of that. I bought 4 of the 1 gallon, so that way if I need a little bit extra oil. So everything is fine so far. Reset the oil left. We're gonna reset that. So if you look, you see the arrow that said, it says hold and press the arrow to reset. Right here. This is where you're gonna be doing a reset. So it says, if you look on there, it says hold and press this arrow. This arrow to reset. So we're gonna hold this arrow. It said to reset oil level engine must be off. Okay, so we want to turn the engine off. Okay. All right, so let's do it again. We're going to hold this arrow. Okay, this is the oil life. And 100% for oil life. So if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. Show you how to do your oil change and you save a lot of money from the dealer. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Share, subscribe, give me the thumbs up. So if you notice, I was doing auto services on that. I was doing the fuel filter, oil change, air filter, and carbon filter. So this part of the video, I just took off the oil change part just to show you how to do the oil change. If you want to see the complete video, it's about 45 minutes long. How to do all the service that I just named. Look in the link in the description below. You will find a link to the complete video, 45 minutes long, and you can learn from there. You can get to do all the service for less than $300. Thanks again. Share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.